Hello everyone, in this video, we will compare Fourthwall and Printful. Fourthwall and Printful are both popular print-on-demand services, each offering unique features tailored to different business needs. Fourthwall provides a user-friendly platform for artists and creators to sell their designs on a variety of products. It emphasizes high-quality printing and product customization, allowing artists to maintain control over their designs and branding. Fourthwall supports artists by handling printing, fulfillment, and customer service, enabling them to focus on creating. Printful offers a comprehensive BOD service with a wide range of products, including apparel, accessories, and home goods. It integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, simplifying store management and order fulfillment. Printful provides warehousing services for storing inventory and offers white-label shipping options, enhancing brand visibility and customer satisfaction. Choosing between Fourthwall and Printful depends on your specific business needs. Fourthwall is ideal for artists looking for control over their designs and a supportive platform for selling unique products. Printful is suitable for businesses seeking a wide product range, seamless e-commerce integration, and scalable fulfillment solutions. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.